Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related, specifically luxury skincare. And in today I am going to be doing an unboxing and first impression of the La Prairie Anti-Aging Night Cream right here. You guys, oh my God. Okay, so if you don't know me, I'm obsessed with luxury skincare. La Mer, I'm a La Mer addict. Like, let's just be honest. So La Prairie has been on my sites for so freaking long. I have an aunt who's gorgeous, right? And she swears by La Prairie. And it is one of the bougiest brands I have ever witnessed. It's made in Switzerland and I haven't, you know what? I just want to unpackage this and I want to give you guys my first impressions. I did purchase a night product because I kind of just want to switch things up a bit and I want to sleep in La Prairie. I have never tried anything by this brand. I have not sampled this brand other than a little eye thing, but I did barely even got to try that. So I'm kind of going into this brand blindly. Like I am just saying, screw the samples, screw that, you know, I'm just going all in. And that is what I'm doing with you guys today. I had to share this moment with my subscribers because this is truly so exciting for me. Like, oh my God. So let's just open it up. I did purchase it from Nordstrom, so I don't have like the special La Prairie, you know, gift packet, you know, but Nordstrom, we like Nordstrom, right? We love some points. All right, so the packaging, I'm just taking off the clear wrap. I mean, we're really doing a full-on packaging. Okay, so the box is like it's obviously a silver fluorescent. The packaging seems Luxe AF, La Prairie, Switzerland. Right here is right on top and it is engraved. So when you feel it, it has a rougher like a texture where the engraving is. I think that's really, really cool. This is 1.7 ounces and I paid $255 for it. And it's got a 12-month shelf life. So what does that mean to us? We need to start using it. So I'm gonna open it up. Oh my God, and it's ingrained here too. Yes, packaging is important, you guys, because when you're paying $255 for 1.7 ounces, boo, that better come packaged nice. We care. So, all right, and then you open it and it says like La Prairie here, which is amazing. Oh, and here comes the little direction packet. And then there is, okay, we're gonna just put this direction list to the side because I'm too anxious. I'm just popping it out. Woo! Oh my God. Oh guys, wait, look at this packaging. Oh my God, this goes to a whole other level. Do you guys see this? So, okay. So it is obviously in this stainless steel. It's heavy. It feels freaking luxe. Like, oh my God. It's almost wrapped in like this matte silver finish, which adds like extra depth to the packaging. And then of course it says right on the front, La Prairie, Switzerland, anti-aging night cream, La Prairie, right on the front because we're about that name brand life, you guys. And no, I don't buy this stuff specifically for the name brands. I buy this stuff because of the way it works for my skin. However, I am extremely new to the La Prairie brand. I have zero idea how this is gonna work. So I'm just gonna pop it open, yay, 12 months now. Okay, so right off the bat, I don't know if I'm missing something, but it doesn't come with like a scooper, but hold on, let's see. So you twist it off like this. Okay, this is the inside of that, and then it's sealed with a special La Prairie cream, like sealer. So, okay, so right off the bat, I'm just noticing I'm not getting a scooper with it. You don't get a scooper, a roller, you don't get anything for the $255. Unless this is what it is. I hope not. Oh my, this is it. Is this supposed to be a scooper? Or is this just from the packaging? La Prairie, I really hope this isn't your scooper. If this is their scooper, I'm gonna attack it right now because this is unacceptable for $255. Alrighty, so I'm opening the protective seal. And then there is the cream ever so luxuriously waiting for me to take a dip. Let's go diving. Oh, it smells very, very nice. I have been warned that La Prairie has a very, very strong fragrance, and that deters a lot of people away from them. But not me, because I want to bathe in it. It smells good. Definitely very heavily scented, I do have to say. Can't compare it to anything other than I actually really like the smell of it. It's almost like floral. Guys, I'm not even gonna try. First, I'm gonna close it. So here is smooth on in the PM to face, neck, and décolleté. Avoid eye area. Okay, so there's no specific way to apply it. Containing wrinkle smoothing peptides, antioxidants, and extracts that moisturize this formula, helps to firm and restore the skin's youthful appearance. Okay, so let's get it poppin'. I can't speak anymore. We just gotta get it poppin'. All right, let's just get this on our skin. So I'm gonna just do my first dive. Okay, so right off the bat, you see where I drug the product off? This is definitely more of a firm cream. This is not by any means like a gel. It is definitely not that of a normal cream. This is definitely very firm of a cream. Like it's definitely like very emulsified, if you can see that. So I'm just gonna, wow, holy crow. But when you rub it into your fingers, it just disperses. Like really nice. What just happened? Wow, a total mind F just happened on my channel. Okay guys, here we go. Feels really, really nice on my skin. Wow. Oh my God. This cream just shut me right up. This cream just said, okay, Morgan, put me on your face. I'll show you how to really get applied. Holy crow. It's like very cooling on my skin right now. Wow. A little does go a long way. You definitely need to sweep this. There is no pushing in. I definitely think the best way, just from my first impression, this is sweeping really nice and it's really just dispersing. Like it's like super like firm, and then once it gets applied and moved, it just disperses. So this has been gently applied. I always kind of just have that final habit of patting. Okay, I am just going to do this because it feels so, so nice. This feels, oh my God. Okay, Morgan, wow, okay. Okay, all right, I'm gonna close it up because I wanna protect its ingredients, the proprietary. So this is the La Prairie Anti-Aging Night Cream on my face. Okay, you guys, this cream shut me up by making fun of its packaging. I literally put the cream on and it did its thing, like the cream did the talking. So right off the bat, I have to say, I really, really like this product. Of course, this is the only first time I'm using this, so like I really don't have much feedback for you and how it really works, but it did give me a wow factor. Like this had me going downhill. This was really making me doubtful. This was really pissing me off. Then I applied it and whoa. Like, whoa. Okay, you guys, I don't have much more to say other than I notice it's making my pores look really nice. I don't know how else to describe that for you guys, but look at this. Do you see my skin? Guys, this is one layer of skincare. All I did was tone tonight. All I did was tone and put a very thin layer of this on my skin, and this is what my skin looks like. I'm literally watching my skin transform. Huh. My pores actually look smaller. I don't know if you can make that out in the camera, but they actually look smaller. Okay, you guys, well, La Prairie just put me in my place. Everybody calm down. You guys, all right, so I'm super excited and grateful to have this in my skincare routine, so stay tuned. I'm going to be posting this product a ton on my Instagram, giving updates on what I think, and so far, the way this cream has applied and upon my first impression is really, really, really good. This cream just impressed me. I love the texture. It's very thin. It seems thick when you put it on your fingers, but it disperses very thin and glides over your skin like only La Prairie can do, clearly. What I like so much about this is definitely seems like a very different outlook on skin approach from La Mer, which I do like. I think this is a totally different ball game. I'm very excited. So you guys, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me along the La Prairie journey, as well as a lot of other luxury skincare products and fun vlogs and fun fashion. Join me on this wonderful, luxurious adventure. I will be doing a follow-up video on this. If you haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram, again, to follow me on this lovely skincare journey and join in on the fun. Let me know if you have tried La Prairie products, okay? Let me know what you think of La Prairie as like a brand as a whole, okay, you guys? Because this has been on my list for a very long time. Everybody, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed my first impression and unboxing video. Love you guys. Bye.